CSO-3 approaching. In real life, I believe CSO-3 is what goes to the subfield secondary. That's a fun operation to see. Last I checked, they did it twice a week. They had to use Amtrak Springfield line to get there, but then they own the subfield secondary outright. First customer on the line is Praxair, and if they're still in business, the last customer is Howstrom Paper. This operation in real life actually has a locomotive at each end because they have to utilize switches that are facing both directions.